What is up, guys? We are back, and Brendan got him a new truck that we're going to do some donuts in, and then maybe that one. We'll see how it goes. Well, guys, unfortunately, the old Ford, she just is not going to do a donut. But I figured I'd go ahead and introduce you to our new truck. 93 Chevy. We got a 6-inch lift for it, some 35s, and we're going to put an LS in it. It's a 5-speed, 373 gears. The old motor's just done. She's got a dead cylinder, and we're going to go have a little bit of fun before we pull it apart.
The old Grinch, she's mean, she's green, and she's pretty clean. So stay tuned. We're going to make some videos of this bad boy for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave a comment if there's anything you want to see. She's still got it. It should be a lot better when we freshen her up.